Namaste, beautiful soul. Welcome to day number 7 of these 7 days meditating together. I'm so happy that you're here with me, that you made it all the way to the 7th day. I would love to read how you're feeling, how was your experience. So please, please, please leave a comment on this video. Tell me what did you like, how you're feeling, and I want to encourage you, really encourage you to keep meditating. If you like these 7 days, you can totally start again tomorrow with meditation number 1 and continue doing it until you really build up your routine. And if you found a video that you like better than another video, a meditation that it resonated more with you, you can repeat that video, that meditation every day, as many days as you wish. And the meditation today is about learning how to enjoy the silence and also how to discover that place to find peace inside ourselves. So if you are ready in your comfortable sitting position, in your comfortable place, we're going to begin. And please, please leave me a comment, stay in touch, tell me how you're feeling. Don't forget to give me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel so we can continue in touch and you can continue enjoying all the videos that I upload for you. So, sitting or lying on your sacred and comfortable place for meditation, I invite you to take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly everything out through the mouth. This is how we start setting the intention for our meditation. So you can repeat it one more time. A deep breath in through the nose. And slowly exhale everything out through the mouth. With eyes closed and an open mind and an open heart, we're gonna start our day number 7 together, our meditation number 7. The last one of this cycle, but not the last one for you, because I hope it's the beginning of infinite meditations to come, that you can repeat these meditations, that they can be that tool that you need at any time to reconnect with yourself, with your inner peace. So we're gonna start by doing a breathing exercise, and then we're gonna go deeper on enjoying the power of the silence. So now that you are more in touch, more in connection with your breathing, we're going to take breath this way. I'm gonna help you in the first ones. I'm going to count for you, and then I'm gonna leave a few cycles for you to do it by yourself. So the way we're gonna start is by bringing the attention to the tip of the nose. And we are going to inhale in 4 counts, starting now. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're gonna retain for 4, 3, 2, 1, and we exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain, no breath, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. No breath, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain the breath, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you continue 4 more cycles at your own. Last cycle, inhale in 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now normal breathing. Allow your breath to flow very natural. Enjoying the effects. And now I'm going to remain in silence because you already know what to do. Just focus on every inhale and every exhale. Your prana, the life force that is behind each breath, is much more powerful than the thoughts. Breathing in and breathing out. You just discover the beauty and the power behind the silence. Bring a smile to your lips. You can keep your hands on your lap or bring your hands to your heart. And take the deepest inhale of your day so far. Allow your heart to expand, your chest to open, your smile to shine. And exhale, everything now feeling very light, feeling calm, in peace, feeling renewed and recharged, awakening to a new moment in your life full of infinite possibilities. A new minute, a new hour, a new day, a new week, a new year. Just follow your heart. I am Pau, and I'm proud of you, and I'm honored that I have been able to help you these 7 days to start your steps into the meditation path. And I hope you stay here. And you can reconnect with me anytime you need to find meditation for you. Thank you so much for opened your heart to me. Remember that you can repeat these meditations one each day. If you have your favorite one, you can do it again. Just keep these tools for you. And sometimes also try to do it by yourself. I send you all my love, always. Namaste.